Vanya from Ghaziabad. I had completed BCom from Delhi University in 2020. This place is the right one for fresher and experienced people. Faculty is teaching very clearly and neatly so that non-IT people can also learn. Management people also counselor are professional. If we need anything, they don't hesitate to help us. Very well set with high full practical with sufficient time. I'm selected in Wipro with 2.7 LPA of salary offered. I'm happy and satisfied after joining this Institute of Aviation. Thank you.